Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn how to write an application to the principal. But before we learn this, let us think, what is the purpose of writing an application? Why do we write an application to the principal? Yes, children, an application is written to the principal to attract the attention of the authority towards an issue which needs immediate action. For example, you are not feeling well and you want to take a leave from the school, or there is a function in your family and you want to inform the school authority regarding that. In these cases, you write an application to the principal. So first of all, we will learn the format. Every letter or application is written with the proper format. So before coming to the letter, we will start from the format part. Here comes the format. A letter should be written in a proper format. First of all comes the address to whom we are writing our letter. And here in this case, because it is an application, we are writing our application to the principal of the school. Kendriya Vidyalaya, Air Force Station, Borjhar. It should be in 3 lines. Here, children, you will leave one line blank and then you will put date. July 20, 2020. Or you can write date in this manner also, 20th July 2020. Oh, sorry. And nobody is going to write date in this manner, 20/07/2020. Children, this is wrong method. It is not accepted in English, right? So here you have written date. After writing date, you will leave one line blank again, and then you are going to write the subject for which you are applying a leave for. It will be according to the question. Then again leave one line blank, and then comes the salutation part, means you are writing an application to the principal, madam or sir, whosoever the principal of the school is. Then comes the body of the letter. Body of the letter consists of 2 paragraphs, minimum 2, maximum 3 paragraphs. In first paragraph, you will tell the reason of applying for the leave, and in second paragraph, you will write, you will request the principal to grant you leave, right? So you will be writing the body of the letter, and after completing this comes the complimentary, you will be writing thanking you. Here also, before thanking you, you will leave one line blank, and after this you will leave one line blank. Then comes complimentary close. Yours sincerely. Then comes your name, class and roll number. So this is the format. Bache, read and understand this format at least 2-3 times, and then we will come to the question part. Here comes your question. Now read this question carefully. You are Shrikant Mishra. You are not feeling well. Write an application to the principal of your school requesting him or her to grant you leave for 2 days. I think the question is clear to you. Now children, I have written a sample answer for you. Here comes your answer. I will read this quickly for you. The principal, Kendriya Vidyalaya, AFS Borjhar. This is, you are addressing the principal. Then leave one line here, date July 20, 2020. Here again you are going to leave one line. Then comes the subject, application for sick leave. Again you are going to leave one line here, Madam. With due respect, I state that I am a student of 6th C in your school. I have been suffering from fever and cold since last night. So I am unable to attend the school for next 2 days. The doctor has advised me to take rest. This is your first paragraph. You have given reason for this application, for writing this application. In second paragraph, you are requesting the principal to grant you leave. Kindly grant me leave for 2 days, that is July 20 and July 21st, 2020, and oblige. Then again you are going to leave one line, thanking you. Again leave one line, yours sincerely, Shrikant Mishra, roll number 25, class 6th C. This can be replaceable. Class you can write first, roll number you can write later on. So this can be replaced. So children, read this letter 2-3 times, write this in your notebook, and after this video I will be sending you an application to write. That is your homework. You will be completing it and send me your responses. Thank you. Have a great day.